Hello folks, it's me again. What is this piece of wood? Well, anyway, if anybody has watched my channel for a while, you'll know that I love to pick up junk on the side of the road. Not only is it just scrap, but other stuff. But anyway, I picked up this piece of wood, I cut it down to the size I needed, and it's about this thick. I think it's an inch thick. Yeah, this thick. Let me verify this thick for you. It's a 1 inch thick piece of what I'm guessing is a glued together pine. But anyway, I don't know if you can see this. I'll have to show you here. If you look on this thing very, very carefully on here, I don't know if you can see that, I drew a pencil on this thing. I don't know if you can, let me turn the light on and see if it works. I think the light's even worse. Anyway, it says hours up here, and it says Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and it has the hours on it. What am I doing with it? Well, I'm not painting it, for one. What I'm going to plan on do is take my router. I'm not a very good woodworker, by the way, but I'm going to take my router, and this little 1 inch outer edge I'm leaving raised. Then I'm going to route out, probably strap a board on this side and route it across here, strap a board this way, keep the edge, and I'm going to try to chisel out and route out as much around the letters as possible. I might have to hand chisel some of the letters, but I'm going to chisel out around the letters very carefully, just a bit, just enough to be raised, and it's not going to go all the way in. Then I'm going to paint the whole thing. I'm thinking of painting the background white and the front black, because I like the color, or I'm going to do like a red and a white or something. Why? Because I could buy a plastic sign, get it paid $50, get somebody to do it, it'll be done probably in 3 days. And like every other plastic sign I've bought, they fall apart. This one might last a few more years if I clear coat it and stain it and varnish it and whatever else. But after I'm done cutting it out, I'm going to completely set the surface, get this finish off, and I might just chisel it out, like route it, maybe about I don't know, maybe a 1/4 inch. I'm going to go as far as I can here. I'm probably going to screw this up, I know it. But I'm going to try to get as close. Basically, I'm going to run it on top, all the way across, all the way around, across, through, maybe in the middle here, as much as I can. I'll probably do a video and show you as I start it. I'll show a video halfway through. I'll do a little montage of whatever the hell I'm doing, and then I'll do a couple little like chisel videos, show you what I chisel by hand. And then I'll just show you the finished product. Probably at most 10-minute video, but this is what I'm doing. I left it like, see if you look, it used to be some kind of furniture. It's got a round edge. I'm leaving that on there. The reason why this goes like this, because the table used to go this way, and then used to go down to here and go down. It was one of those weird, I don't know, like stereo TV things, but it was completely free. Free wood. I have a piece over there, a couple other pieces, and I didn't pay for it. So that's what I'm doing in a future video. This video is probably going to pop up sooner or later because I really need a store hours on. Well, I'm open Monday. I'm only open Thursday to Sunday. And people keep walking up and they can't read the sign on the door, so I'm going to put one on the porch. Yeah. That's what people do. And even one day when I put this up there, nobody knows how to read. They don't read the sign. They just go up to the door and like, hey. And then the worst part is if I'm out there working, like obviously I have a gravel driveway. It's old school. Like I can't afford, what do you call it, asphalt. Any asphalt companies want to come and, what do you call it, pave my driveway for free? Be my guest. But people walk up, and if I'm filling a pothole or cleaning up garbage, oh, are you open? I drove for 4 hours. And I'm like, oh, do you stay at the Walmart? I drove all the way this way and you're not open. I'm like, well, I'm open Thursday to Sunday. Well, you can't just open? I'm like, no. I have days off for a reason, and I keep them like that. So anyway, that's one of my projects. It's going to get expedited sometime this weekend. And stay tuned. You'll see a little snippet of that. So thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and either smash the like button or smash your computer. Whatever you feel like. It won't bother me. Thanks for watching. Toodles.